Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel the Shein order after shipping. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser so you can access the Shein's official website, or you can go ahead access the app itself as well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back from this tab so I can literally show you the process. So when you're in the home section, you will basically be able to place an order, and when it has started being shipped, once it has been shipped, when you go to this section of me at the bottom right corner, you shall be able to find the shipped section where you will be able to check out whether your order has been shipped or not. Now the case is, once the order has been shipped, because it has already been departed, you cannot cancel it. Even if you cancel, the product cannot be returned back since it's already been shipped and departed. So what you have to do is, when you receive your product, and then you can go to the returning process. Go to the return section over here. Once I receive the package, tap on the return in the side bar of the package itself, and then go ahead and enter a reason for it. Add your refunding process, like how would you like to get your money back, and that's basically how it will be done. Shein will pick up your product and you will get the refund for it. And that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.